Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of July 22nd, 2014. The charts I stare at all day long are from Trade Navigator software, and it's kind of easy on my eyes. Not necessarily easy to analyze, though. And let's get into that here. This is the bond market in a weekly chart, and you can see the support, if they were going to trend up strong, is around 137.28 right here, the upper red line. I can't say I was expecting this to hold. I really wasn't. I thought they'd go down to about 136.22 or somewhere in this vicinity, but they seem to be holding up here, and it looks like they want to challenge at least the 139 area up here. And there's nothing to say they have to stop there. I mean, clearly we've been in an uptrend all year long, and it doesn't mean that they can't top out here, but it doesn't mean that they can't blow up a bunch higher too. And that seems especially likely when I hear all the experts on TV talking about how bonds are going to go down so hard. But anyway, that's kind of what it looks like to me. I thought they would go to 136.22. They still might. It wouldn't be doing any damage, but it looks like they're trying to test the 139 area. They are at new highs, or at least have gone to new highs. They didn't close there right now, but they have gone to new highs. So yeah, it's kind of hazardous to your trading health to argue against new all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but highs for the year anyway. Stocks are, well, they made new highs too, but they're frustrating, and they have been, well, certainly all year and probably for longer than that. They go to new highs, and you think people will run in and buy them. They don't, so you think they're going to sell off, and they don't. And then, 3 days later, they're higher again, and we're going through the same thing. What we have here is support, if they were going to trend up strong, is around 1964. They dipped a bit below that, so no indication that they're super strong, really. But then we got up to resistance in 1978 roughly is where that is, and they've gone above that, and they didn't quite reach this 1985 area that we were looking at. And now they're kind of backing off a little bit. They did this kind of late in the day on Tuesday. They went to new all-time highs, went above 1980, looked like they were going to rock and roll, and then drifted back down. So, very frustrating. It certainly could be topping out because they've got all these highs in the same area here for the last 4 weeks. Kind of don't think so, though. This looks like just more of the same of what we've seen, and I really expect this to end with a vertical move. Just a blow off to the upside that goes higher than anybody believes. That's what would be the logical end to something like this. They're just not showing me signs of anything. So again, I don't rule out the fact that they could just roll over and go down here. But I've been thinking that for at least the entire year, if not longer, and they haven't done so. So, status quo until further notice, I guess. But still looking for them to go higher, still looking for them to poke above 1985 and take off here. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how confused we are.